as the top stories. Manipur among states with highest records of violation of human rights, says acting chairperson of MHRC, Khaidem Mani. Minister of Health and Family Welfare asserts that number of people taking precautionary health checkup in Manipur is very low. STD CM terms government's appetite towards demand for inclusion of Meitei in scheduled tribe list as unfortunate. And India records 7,231 fresh COVID cases, 45 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. Hello, welcome to Positive English News. This is Maria giving you the news in detail. Expressing displeasure on inability to protest violation of human rights, acting chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC, Khaidem stated that Manipur is among the states that has highest records of violation of human rights, and the number of cases that have been recorded in 4 years is just 700. The statement was given during a press meet held today at the MHRC at Lumphil Court Complex in connection with his farewell. He further stated that there should be 150 staff working in 4 divisions of the commission, but hardly 30 people were working. He informed that had worked for the betterment of the society despite of lack of infrastructure, financial and manpower. He also said even though he took 700 cases including suo motu cases during the last 4 years, he is not satisfied because people, even after knowing the injustice happening to them, have no courage to seek justice. He further stated Manipur can be a developed state if citizens are aware of how to fight for their rights.
Human rights violate tobagi interim compensation aduga pura compensation ibse case marida punna upala onga lesing kun sipi gre ado koi Manipur da si amuk chawbam si ahan bani haiba chahi mari ki tam sida around 700 haidune including sogomoto and other saraga cases were filed. Manipur dadi aina katang waro bese government su press su politician su human rights defender oiriba singchu ekhani yona kangon thokdo khangdre wakat pa haitre ba koi sida human rights khaidigi violate toba Manipur se amane ke satru khate oide kariyano chahi marida chahi madal singam heloidro wakatte sorok ta lawi age toriba peroche ge manungda kanagumba matana the pressure people talite aingi tokun thokpa ngone piri sakti du matuna to bangate.
Health and Family Welfare Minister Sapam Ranjan has stated that fewer people take preventative measures for their health before becoming ill. The statement was given during the distribution of bags and umbrellas for Asas of Manipur organized by Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Department at IMA Hall in Lumphil today. IMA Hall in Lumphil today. Additional Chief Secretary Health and Family Welfare Bumlun Mang Balnuam, Director Health Services Dr. Korom Sashikumar Mangang, State Mission Director of SHS NHM, Government of Manipur also attended the function. In today's function, Minister Sapam Ranjan said ASA workers take an important role in the healthcare system at the grassroots level. Government and Health Department know the responsibilities of the ASA workers. They even took an important role while fighting the COVID pandemic. Manipur government is looking forward for a major change in the healthcare system. It is trying to give more facilities to the people living in the remote areas. Minister further added that people don't have the habit of taking precaution. In view of such trend, the authority has launched CM Health for All. He also appealed to the people to take the benefits of menstrual hygiene under Government of Manipur. He also urged the ASA worker to give awareness about menstrual hygiene among young girls.
Honorable Chief Minister, Chief Minister's Health for All actually the Ashas and Chief Minister's Health for All I am recognized to be seriously lower Manipur primary healthcare levels and grassroots work that we really the World Health Organization therefore doctors get concept to as a token of appreciation we recognize our organization and aduna ai amuka hamna yam thagatchari asha sing thabak kanna hona bi myamdo aduda bi hena hona raga Manipur healthcare delivery system afaba state ama oina bi damak ta myam hona bi nasi ajra
Textiles, Commerce and Industry Minister Nemcha Kibgin took stock of the prevailing infrastructure conditions and industrial components at Takil Industrial Estate and Nilakuti Food Park today. While visiting the said locations, Industry Minister Nemcha interacted with the entrepreneurs and urged them to fully utilize the infrastructures developed by the government for improving the industrial sector of the state. Such infrastructure facilitates the entrepreneurs to establish their business, which will further contribute to give employment opportunities to the unemployed youths of our state, she added. During the visit, the minister also inspected the conditions of the roads and surrounding areas and informed that road development is in the pipeline. The minister was accompanied by Commissioner TCI P.K. Jaha, Director Commerce and Industry Yumnam Rovita Devi, and officers and officials of the department. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur STD-CM staged a sit-in protest demanding the inclusion of Meitei in Scheduled Tribe List of India at Kurai Lamlong Ketil today. Speaking to the media, Youth Wing convener of STD-CM and Addition stated that it is unfortunate that the Manipur government has shown unconcern over the demand of inclusion of Meitei in Scheduled Tribe List. Even after the committee protesting for the inclusion of Meitei in ST list, the state government has not taken any action. The committee strongly condemned this and is preparing to intensify the protest. He therefore urged the state government to consider the situation seriously and take appropriate action.
democratic khongjangse masida tabidaba masida lokhapam to thobokse lokhataba taragadi akhoi maikai da leriba manipur gi miyam sing maruina akhoi maitai natraga mitai na khangrebe akhoi iraicha sing punamak siga kusamnare haraga hena kanba adu makhali khongjangse masai koi changsin nanaba sem saraga leire aduna manipur government na akanba makhali khongjangse masi baton tobigano manipur gi tohan ba prinamadi electronic media gi kithangda august thagi tang 10 fawgi manungda manipur government ki pakapun thoboksi pakat piu haidana अखोना थमजखिबने मदु ngasi phawba wafam amata madu pangthokpagi thabak mami je koi udabadagi ngasi gi khongjang thaba hawjarakpane ado amuka na aina hanjanjarabada makhata na sigumba democratic movement sida tabi da base masigi damakta sidagi hena kanba khongjang je koi changchinaba sem saraga leire.
Joint Secretary of Apunbalup Lamlong Kaitel Krishnam Aruna, who participated in the protest, said that the protest was staged demanding inclusion of Meitei on the ST list, as this will prevent the indigenous Meitei from extinction.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯒꯗꯧꯔꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯃ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯧꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯒꯗꯧꯔꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯧꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯉꯥꯏꯐꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯗꯨꯜ ꯀꯥꯁ ꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯟꯗꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯟꯗꯕ ꯁꯨꯡꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯨꯜꯍꯥꯏꯗꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯧꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯔꯣꯟ ꯁꯨꯔꯣꯟꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯖꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯜꯂꯒ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯊꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯇꯨꯡꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯤꯟ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯂꯩꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯏ.
Aam Aadmi Party Notice in charge Rajesh Sharma has stated that Manipur unit of the party will be formed soon. Speaking at a press conference held in Press Club today, he said that the formation of party in Manipur was initiated after receiving suggestions from the social activists and individuals with political knowledge in the state. Since the party resources are limited, they are not able to cover the Northeast region. But now, with the support of youth, women and traders in Manipur, they will set up the party unit in the state. They will begin a volunteer mapping campaign and a membership drive, and they will go door to door and use social media to interact with the individuals. He further said, with the support of people, they may participate in the upcoming election for the Gram Panchayat and municipal election. He also appealed to the people of Manipur to come forward to take part in the election and assured that the party will bring development in the state as done in Delhi.
पूरे मणिपुर में करेंगे, उसके लिए हमारे सांगठनिक कामकाज हम यहाँ शुरू करने वाले हैं। सभी युवा यहाँ से अपनी पढ़ाई के लिए मणिपुर से बाहर जाना पड़ता है, उनको एजुकेशन वहाँ बाहर कंप्लीट करनी पड़ती है अपनी। उसके बाद बहुत सारे युवा फिर वहीं काम करने लग जाते हैं, मणिपुर वापस नहीं आते, तो इसको भी बदलना पड़ेगा। तो अगर मणिपुर की जनता चाहती है कि आम आदमी पार्टी को आना चाहिए तो खुलकर हमारे साथ आए, हम एक अच्छा संगठन तैयार करेंगे।
According to a press release from the MU registrar, the entrance test for the postgraduate admission in MA, MSc, MCom, MCA, MLIS, LLM and other subjects for the academic session 2022-23 in Manipur University will held on revised date and place. Meanwhile, MSU, Desam, MSF, KSA, SUK and EMS expressed their gratitude to the authority concerned for arranging an alternative means to appear in the common university entrance test. Samagra Shiksha Manipur, in collaboration with SCERT, organized a state-level prize distribution function for mass awareness on Nipun Bharat at the conference hall of SPO Samagra Shiksha today. The function was attended by Education as Director L. Nandakumar, ASPD Elementary Samagra Shiksha Alfred Jamlalul Kote, Samagra Shiksha Finance Controller Arif Mujahid Khan, SCERT Head of Office Jim Golan Tingujam, along with students and teachers from several schools in Manipur. As part of the functions, certificates, mementos and cash awards were given to the winners in the categories of teachers' learning materials, storytelling contest and slogan contest. Addressing at the event, Education as Director L. Nandakumar stated that the vision of Nipun Bharat is to create an enabling environment to ensure universal acquisition of the foundational literacy and numeracy so that every child achieves the desired learning competencies in reading, writing and numeracy at the end of grade 3. He said, the National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy, Nipun Bharat, was launched by Union Minister of Education, Ramesh Pokhriyal, on 5th of July 2021, with the aim of ensuring every child in the state to necessarily attain foundational literacy and numeracy by 2026-27, and he said this is essential for National Education Policy, NEP 2020.
Class 3 Angang Kudima 2026-27 Hawada Iba Paba Amadi Mayakangan C Havene Masikangan Anamata Ikoina Tongan Tonganba Categorista Angang Singi Oiba Storytelling Competition Magi Communication Schools to Hingadana Sinjavani Aduga Nipun Bharat si Mai Pak Level Namata Oza Singi Suyamna Asoba Daita Laimanina Oza Singi Oiba Teaching Learning Material develop tawagi competition amaju sinjabani aduga iba paba amadi numeracy khangan basira su parents in su yamna achoma daita ama leibinina.
A joint team of Taubal Commando and a column of 16 AR apprehended 2 active members of prescribed UNLF yesterday at around 7:10 p.m. from Ukong Sang Mayay Lerak. The arrested 2 active members of prescribed UNLF have been identified as Maibam Roki Meite, Elias Chauba, Elias Taibang Lemba, 22, son of Led Mohan Meite of Kongjom Tekcham Kunau, and Sagos and Priyovata, Elias Toivi, Toiba, Elias Machaton, 19, son of Pikomani of Langatel Kangjebung Lekai. The arrested persons have been handed over to Nongpok Sekmai Police Station for further necessary action. Now let's have a short break. Keep watching for more updates. Welcome back. District Legal Services Authority, Chandil, under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority, today organized a capacity building program on roles of legal aid clinics, panel advocates and paralegal volunteers at CJM Court Complex, Chandil District as a part of a Jadika Amrit Mahotsav campaign in collaboration with the legal aid clinics of District Legal Services Authority, Chandil. K.H. Jackie Lushi, advocate, was the resource person of the program. She sensitized the participants on various schemes and SOPs of the National Legal Services Authority. She further briefed on the schemes to maximize spreading awareness to the local populace to adopt proper legal procedures over customary laws. The panel advocates, paralegal volunteers and staffs participated in the said program. Royal Riders Chandil RRC, District Hospital Taubal and District Hospital Chandil organized a blood donation camp cum awareness campaign 2022 in collaboration with DC Chandil, SP Chandil and 21 Assam Rifles Chandil. DC Chandil, Mayanlambam Rajkumar, additional SP Sankarjit Singh, Major Dayananda Singh of 21 Assam Rifles, MS of District Hospital Chandil, Dr. T.H. Joyson Monsang, among others, attended the program. Band outfit United Liberation Front of Assam Independent ULFAI in a statement today announced that another cadre of the outfit was awarded the death sentence for allegedly trying to flee from one of its camps. The cadre has been identified as Rehan Assam, alias Muhammad Saiful Islam. He is said to be a resident of Lakipur village in the Golpara district. This is the third confirmed death penalty by the outfit to its cadres this year. Earlier in May, 2 other cadres were announced the death penalty on allegations of them spying on the outfit on behalf of the Assam police. The Ranchi police have arrested a national executive member of BJP Mahila Morcha and an ex-IAS officer Maheshwar Patra's wife Sima Patra for allegedly confining and torturing her 29-year-old domestic mate. The action came after thousands of Twitter users demanded action against her. The maid Sunita, who is undergoing treatment at Rajendra Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Hospital in Ranchi, has accused Patra of breaking her teeth with an iron rod and burning her with hot utensils, starving and trashing her regularly. She, however, said Patra's son, she is alive because of Patra's son, as he would try to save her from his mother. The BJP has suspended Patras from the party's primary membership for the inhuman treatment she meted out to Sunita. And National Commission for Women NCW Chief Rekha Sharma wrote to Jharkhand Police Chief demanding a report on action taken in 7 days. Bollywood actor Jacqueline Fernandez has been summoned by Delhi court in connection with the money laundering case involving gunman Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Delhi's Patiala court has taken cognizance of the ED's charge sheet against Jacqueline Fernandez. She has been summoned on September 26. The Enforcement Directorate named Jacqueline Fernandez as an accused in a ₹200 crore extortion case. ED had found Jacqueline to be the beneficiary of the proceeds of the extorted money. The ED believes she was aware that conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar was an extortionist. The civic body in Lucknow today bulldozed soaps, mostly selling campaign material on the road outside the Samajwadi Party office. According to the Lucknow Municipal Corporation officials, the makeshift soaps on Vikramaditya Marg were illegal and their owners were sent notices several times in the last 6 months asking them to remove the structures. They were given time and announcement was made there earlier and the officials razed the illegal structures with bulldozers. On one side of Vikramaditya Marg is the Samajwadi Party office and on the other side there were There are bungalows of railway officers. Officials said the shops on empty spaces in front of the bungalows affected the flow of traffic. India recorded a total of 7,231 fresh COVID cases along with 45 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,44,28,393. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 10,828 has been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,27,874. Out of 45 new fatalities, 10 each from Kerala, 8 from Maharashtra, 5 each from Delhi and Karnataka, 3 from Punjab, 2 each from Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, and 1 each from Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Haryana, Kerala, Odisha, Sikkim and West Bengal. Taking the daily positivity rate at 2.05%, the total active cases has declined to 64,667 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.67% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 212.39 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Now the top stories once again. Manipur among states with highest records of violation of human rights, says acting chairperson of MHRC, Khaide Mani. Minister of Health and Family Welfare asserts that number of people taking precautionary health checkup in Manipur is very low. STDCM terms government's appetite towards demand for inclusion of Meitei in scheduled tribe list as unfortunate. India records 7,231 fresh COVID cases, 45 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching Pony TV English News. Keep watching Pony TV for more updates.